Hey Google, how's the weather in Bangkok?
Right now in Bangkok it's 32 and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 36 and a low of 28. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 39.
Will it rain in Bangkok?
No, currently in Bangkok, there's no chance of rain.
Hey Google, turn the fan on.
Okay, turning fan on.
Hey Google, turn the fan off.
Okay, turning off fan.
Turn on the air purifier.
Okay, turning MI air purifier 2S on.
Turn off everything.
Okay, turning off 4 things.
Hey Google, turn on this lamp. Set an alarm for today at 5 p.m.
Okay, your alarm's set for today at 5 p.m.
Thanks.
You got it.
Can you laugh?
Your wish is my command.
Do you know you are so stupid?
Well, I am still learning. What should we fix?
Just shut up.
Okay.
Hey Google, volume up to 80%. Volume down to 10%. Can you say something?
Uh-oh, you're making the engineers sweat.
Volume up to 80%. Say something, Google.
Wow, I choked. Can you say something?
Hey Google, play the Secret Sauce podcast.
Alright, playing the latest episode of The Secret Sauce, EE53 Chawit Kung Muang Lea Kar Zayu Zase Halang Ko with -19 Thung Wella XX Gabe Muang Him Rux Yang.
This is the Standard Podcast. The Secret Sauce. Executive Espresso.
สวัสดีครับผมเคนนักครินทร์และนี่คือ The Secret Sauce Executive Espresso
Hey Google,
สรุปความ
pause it. Play How to Live Without You stamp.
How to Live Without You by a Piwat You're the Vornsuk, sure. Playing on Spotify.
I can hear a song now. Rhythm fully breaking down. Looking through a photograph. Sometimes I can't
Hey,
even
Google.
laugh.
Stop the song. Stop the song. Okay, Google. Good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
Just shut up.
No problem. No new alarm set. Good night, Ty.